Easy English podcast. Let's start, guys.
Here's a question I want you to sit with for a moment. When was the last time you wanted something? Really deeply wanted it, and you got it? Maybe something small, a new pair of shoes, a trip you saved for, a job you worked hard to get. And when you got it, how did you feel? Maybe there was happiness, excitement, that feeling of, yes, finally, this is mine. And then a few days later, maybe it felt a little ordinary, like the happiness had a timer on it. And when it ended, you were already looking for the next thing. Sound familiar? Because that cycle, wanting, getting, and then wanting again, is one of the most human things there is. And today, we're going to talk about it. Hello, and welcome back to Practice Easy English. I'm Speaker 1.
And I'm Speaker 2. And I have to say, that opening really hit me.
I'm glad.
Welcome, everyone. Whether you're new or returning, we're really glad you're here. This show is for English learners at B1 and B2 level. Real life, real feelings, real conversations.
No textbooks, no grammar charts, just two people talking honestly. And you're invited.
Today's topic is something I find fascinating. The difference between wanting something and needing something.
It sounds simple, right?
Right. Like, I want chocolate cake. I need water. Done.
But in real life, it's not that simple. Wanting and needing get mixed together.
Like, wanting a phone becomes needing it. Or wanting rest, but not allowing it. Or wanting approval so much, it feels like a need.
And that's where things get complicated. When you hear the word need, what comes to mind?
Survival. Food, water, shelter, sleep.
Yes, but psychologists say needs go deeper too, like Maslow's hierarchy of needs.
Oh, yes, the triangle.
First safety, then belonging, then self-worth, then growth.
So needs aren't just physical.
No, loneliness is a need. Being seen is a need. Feeling your life matters is a need.
And those are invisible.
Yes, you can't see them, but you can feel them deeply.
So what is a want?
A want is desire, something that feels good but isn't necessary for survival.
So need is the floor, want is everything above it.
Exactly.
But sometimes wants feel like needs.
Like morning coffee.
Exactly.
That's a great example. Wants can become part of identity and routine, and then the line disappears.
Let me share something personal.
Go ahead.
I once really wanted a new laptop. I believed it would fix everything. Productivity, creativity, motivation.
I know where this is going.
I bought it, and it was great. For 2 weeks. Then I was exactly the same person.
So the laptop wasn't the real issue.
No, I was avoiding deeper problems. Habits, fear, procrastination.
So the want replaced the need?
Exactly.
I did something similar. I started buying plants when I was going through a hard time.
Plants?
So many plants. I told myself I just liked them. But really, I was trying to feel connection. Something alive.
That's powerful.
It helped a little, but it didn't fix the deeper need. Human connection.
So we often replace emotional needs with easier wants.
Yes, because wants are safer. Needs require vulnerability.
And vulnerability is uncomfortable.
Very. Let's talk about language. I want versus I need. They feel very different. I want you to call me feels light. I need you to call me feels serious. Because needs reveal emotion. And many people are afraid to say, I need. But expressing need is strength, not weakness. Yes, it's honesty. And if you hide needs, people never truly understand you. They only see the surface. And that creates loneliness. So, how do we tell the difference between wants and needs? Pause. That's the first step. We usually don't pause. Exactly. We react. So, what should we ask ourselves? What am I really feeling underneath this want? Underneath. Yes, maybe it's boredom, loneliness, stress. So the want is just a cover. Exactly. But sometimes a want is just a want. And that's okay too. Not everything has to be deep. Right. The problem is when wanting never stops. Endless wanting. Yes, that often means an unmet need. What do you think people truly need? To feel seen. To feel they matter.
It's simple, but deep.
Yes. And when that need isn't met, we chase things instead.
Achievements, objects, distractions.
Yes. But none of them fully satisfy it.
Essential, something necessary.
Impulse. A sudden desire.
Vulnerable, emotionally open and exposed.
Distraction. Something that takes attention away.
Nurture, to care and help something grow.
Unmet. Not satisfied or fulfilled.
Impulse buying, buying without planning.
Fulfillment. Deep, lasting satisfaction. To name a feeling. To identify your emotion clearly. Reflection. Quiet thinking about life and experience. Wanting is not wrong. It's human. But understanding what's underneath your wants, that changes everything. Sometimes it's rest. Sometimes connection. Sometimes something simple. The key is awareness. Because awareness helps you find what you actually need. And if you're learning English, this matters too. Language helps you express your inner world. Every word gives you a voice. Before we go, here's a question for you. What is something you wanted for a long time? And when you got it, did it feel like you expected? Share your answer. And if this episode helped you, share it with someone. Take care of yourself. You're doing better than you think.